if you are a little baker who wants to start a business by making mini cakes, come follow me along. So these are all the ingredients, measuring cups, and you do not have to have them in this color order. What you're gonna need for the cake is olive oil, 3 eggs. I like these eggs, this brand. I like deviled food mix because it just makes it moist. And that is literally all you're gonna need except 1 cup of water, but I don't have it right here right now. So let's get started. First, we are going to start off by opening the box, putting it over there, and opening it. Shame on me. Got it on my arm. But for baking, it is a part of getting messy. So I just poured this into a good sized bowl where I know none of it is gonna fall out. Okay, I'm actually gonna need these. So on the back, you'll see that there's like the ingredients, preheating oven and stuff. So you're gonna look back there. It says 1 cup water, 3 large eggs, 1.5 cup vegetable oil. Put this as close as possible to the bowl so the powder does not fall out. Now I have this teeny Wix, but you can use any type of Wix. 3 large eggs. Found my eggs. 3 large eggs. You are going to just crack those easily. And my tip is, for my thumb, I use my thumb. Once I'm done cracking it, see, once you see that little crack in it, right there, I don't think you can see, but that crack right there, you're going to push your thumb through it. I know it might sound awkward, but your thumb holds the shells backwards, so then you don't get any shells in your food. So here I'm gonna show you the brand. Here it'll say, it says organic extra vinegar olive oil. So I'm just going to pour this in. Now I'm gonna grab my whisk. And if you don't have to use a whisk if you don't want to. So I'm just going to, so as you can see, all the powder is rising to the top. That is normal. And you want to make sure there's no clumps of it, because one time I made cake pops for my family. It was not good. I forgot the powder at the bottom, and it did not, I had to stir it in the pan while it was in the pan, so. So you want to try to get as close to the bottom as you can, so then none of the powder comes out. Okay, these are the cutest kid tins. Obviously, you can do whatever tins you want, but I just think these are cute for kids. Now I'm going to spray them with my organic olive oil. Then I am going to use, you only want them halfway filled, and so they don't get too puffy, because then you'll have to just scrape that off and it will not be fun. And you try not to get it on the teal part, which you can have it in any color, but try not to get it on the teal part. Okay, then I'm going to put these in the oven. You have to set the oven to 350 for these. Okay, now that these are baked, we're going to put all the toppings on. You're gonna need Cool Whip, sweetened condensed milk, caramel flavored syrup, and Heath toppings. You're probably wondering why I get a fork. I am going to poke holes in these. I'm getting my tablespoon out, and there's 2 ways to do this. You can use the can, which I'll show you in a second, or a tablespoon. I'm just going to dip that in carefully. Make sure it does not overflow. You're gonna want it to drip just a little itty bitty bit. Then you can have some fun. And it does not have to be perfect, everybody. I will warn you, it does come out slow. I'm going to drizzle this on top. Okay, I am going to, you be piping this. I'm going to be piping this. This is just Cool Whip.
It's okay, keep going. Quite close, tight. Perfect.
Okay, I'm going to use this cute little spoon to sprinkle Heath cookie toppers, but I'm using them for cakes.